Let us go ahead and create a second message flow which will receive a request, and in turn it will call a different web service. So the web service which we are going to call is this one. So this is basically available in the internet, and when you call this web service, it is giving the response as a JSON. That's it. Okay. In order to do this, we can create a new project. We will call this 102 underscore invoke web service. Click on finish. Okay. Once that is done, first we will use a listener component. This component will basically listen to any request coming to a particular path. So the connector configuration, we need to add it. So I'll be using my local host, so I can keep the host as the default value and the port as 8081. I'll test the connection. Okay, so this test is successful. So I will click on OK. Okay. Then path. This is the path to which we have to send the request. I'll give the name as invoke web service and save it. So the first component is done. Second component, I need to use the request component. So this component will call a different web service. So for us, this is the URL which needs to be called, right? Okay. So in the configuration, I need to, this is a HTTPS, so I need to give HTTPS. The host I'll give till here without the slash, and you can click on OK. So till here it is formed, and the path is to those. I'll paste it here. Okay, so we are done. So we are deploying this project, and we will test this if this is working fine or not. Okay, the status is deployed, so we don't see any issues while deploying. So let us go ahead and test this using Postman. So this is localhost 8081 and the path. So if you see the status is 200 OK, and I can see the same response which we were getting from the browser. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments, and if you would like me to include any topic in news force, please let me know in comments. Thank you.